Friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, today we are going to understand how to open a new screen when you are clicking on button. How to open a new screen from our design without any code. So let's start. Friends, this is the fifth tutorial, and if you have not watched previous video tutorials related to Xcode, please subscribe the channel, like this video, share this video, and I have set a description link for a description. You can visit the link and watch the previous video tutorials. Let's start this tutorial. First we are going to run this application, and we can check how much friends, this is our screen, first screen, in which we have one label and one button. Now we are going to click this button, and we are going to open this second screen on this button click. So let's do that. For that, first we set a label value properly so that we can identify that our second screen is open. Second screen. Now friends, to connect both screen, we have to first click on our button. You can click from here also, and you can click from this side, hierarchy of design. Now drag with right click to the screen which we want to open. On button click, it will show you a connection options all. You have to select first option, show. This way you can see here your screen is connected with Segu. This is called Segu option. To connect both screen, now we can check that our screen is open, connected or not. Click me. We have set a debugger point here, so it stop here. You can check here friends, in debug point it will print value second screen. It print value a second screen because we have set it here a value to second screen to our text label. This way you can debug your value of any of your array, label, text. And you can also print in value to check that value is correctly or printed correct value is set in your variable or not. You can check this from here. You have to use command po, and you have to print text label dot text. This way you can check the value of your let's suppose, if you are want to check the value of any variable you are using, you can write po then your variable name. This way you can check the value in your debug area. And to clear a debug, you can select next. So our screen is open here, second screen. This way friends, you can open your next screen to you can debug your values. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. This is our Xcode tutorial series, and we have learned almost all about Xcode areas and all this. In next video we are going to learn to create we are going to create simple application like text this we are simple creating this simple application to display text, and how to navigate to a next screen, how to add buttons, how to add action to button. All these things we are creating. Let's in next application, next video, whatever you can say it. So friends, that's it for this video. Please subscribe the channel to learn all iOS development from beginning. We are creating tutorials from very beginning level. Friends, you can watch my tutorials by screenshot from my blog post. You will find a link in my YouTube channel in my description, about me description, or you will also find a link about my post, all post in description section of this video also. Thank you so much for watching my videos.